Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to make one of your Slack workspace members a channel admin or channel manager really quickly to give the given person more permissions, like an admin, for example. So make sure to keep watching, drop a like, and now let us jump right into it. So what you want to do is head over to Slack, log into your account, of course. Access the workspace you would like to edit. So what you want to do is select the channel you would like to edit and customize here on the left panel. Let me go with that channel here. I created for the sake of this tutorial. So basically all you need to do is right click on it, select view channel details from the drop down menu. And here in that window, you will see a list of tabs at the top. So switch from about to members. And after that, simply pick the member or user from that list of invited users of your channel and click on these three dots here to the right and simply click on or select Make Channel Manager from that drop-down menu so that the given user may be granted admin rights for the given channel. And that's basically it, guys. Now, after that, you will see a label like that here or a role Channel Manager. And that's basically it. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.